Hello friends, hi everyone. In this segment, we are going to see the history speaks, the history segment. We will see 11 mind-blowing history facts that happened uh, in the history overall. That is interested to note on. So, can we go to the video? Yeah, come guys. Okay, the first incident. Before going instant, we will see what will be there to discuss on. Think you know everything there is to know about history. Think again. You probably know the stuff that was in your high school and college history books, but those teachers didn't teach you everything. They actually left some of the good stuff out. From who Napoleon's true enemies were. Hint, they weren't even humans. To the hard and quite frankly disgusting. Bodily fluid, the ancient Romans used for mouthwash. These are the history facts that you don't learn in schools. Okay, let's go for the first event in the history that we will see. Okay, Roman mouthwash. It's a well known fact that the ancient Romans did some pretty wild and crazy things. But when it comes to hygiene, they definitely used a product that makes you sit up and take notice because they didn't have any Listerine or scope around. They used human urine for the mouthwash. Notable. The next event, cats and the bubonic plague. What's really caused the bubonic plague? It's possible it had something to do with cats. Pope Gregory IX equated everyone's favorite felinas with the devil and ordered them to be killed. Unfortunately, this led to overabundance of rats that spread disease. So it leads to bubonic plague to the world over everywhere. And the next event is dinosaurs and dragons. Have you ever wondered where the legend of dragons came from? Or why the dragons and dinosaurs look so much alike? That's because back in Middle Ages and before, when people discovered dinosaur bones, they thought they were the remains of a dragons that once roamed the earth. Okay, the next event is like Cleopatra first. Cleopatra is one of the most famous people in Egyptian history, as well as one of the most famous women in world history. She was part of the Ptolemaic line, Egypt's last dynasty that ruled for nearly 300 years. Despite her family's timeline in the country, Cleopatra was the only one to speak and understand the Egyptian language. This is very interesting one. Okay, next one is pyramids older than you think. Speaking of ancient Egypt, when you think of the great pyramids, you probably don't realize just how old they are. Both King Tut and Cleopatra would have considered them a part of ancient history in their day. As a matter of fact, woolly mammoths were still alive when the pyramids were built. Oh, nice. Then the next one is like dancing plague. Back in 1518, in the city of Strasbourg, France, hundreds of people danced themselves to death. Seriously. In what's now known as the dancing plague of 1518, a woman named Fra Trophea took to the streets and began dancing non-stop for a week. Others eventually joined in, and by August, the event had claimed hundreds of lives. No one knows for sure what happened, though some historians claim the dances were part of the religious cult, while others believe they ingested toxic mold. The next event, don't cheat on Peter the Great. Back when Peter the Great was Shah of Russia, he caught his wife cheating on him. Not only did he kill her lover, but he did something that would never let her forget her mistake. He cut off her lover's head and made her keep it in a jar in her bedroom. Wow. Very great. Hitler's family tree. Hitler himself never had a children, but his half brother and sister did. As of 2017, there are 5 living male descendants of the Hitler clan living across the world. From Long Island to Austria, all 5 men opted not to have children so that their family bloodline would die out forever. Okay, no one is going to live on Hitler's family. That's the thing they are about to do. Napoleon's rabbits. When you think of Napoleon, you probably think of him as one of the most successful military leader in the history. And while militaries around the world currently study his campaigns, there is one they probably don't worry too much about that. After ending the war between the French Empire and the Imperial Russia, the commander took his men on a rabbit hunt, but they were quite surprised when the rabbits turned around and attacked Napoleon himself. A funny event. Shortest war ever, the next event. If you had to guess how long the shortest war in the history of the world was, 38 minutes probably isn't what comes to mind. But that's exactly how long the Anglo-Zanzibar war between United Kingdom and the Zanzibar Sultanate lasted in 1886. The next is babies for raffle. Anyone who's gone through the adoption process today knows just how hard it can be to bring a child into your family. Back in early 20th century Paris, it was little easier though. As a matter of fact, in 1911, a French orphanage held a raffle to raise money, and the prizes were real live babies. Okay, guys, this is the end of story. So, in this video, we have seen 11 most mind-blowing history facts. So, if you want to see these kind of topic videos and cooking videos and small stories, please subscribe to our channel Kutti Joes YouTube, and please like, share with everyone of your friends and family members, and please support us. Okay guys, see you in next video. Thank you all.